This might be the worst mini bike idea I've ever had. I don't have formal fabrication experience. I don't have a lot of experience building various things. I typically eyeball it and roll with it. So let's see how this goes. So I've extended the front to fit the rim. Now, I know this wheel's backwards, but I'm just too lazy to swap the sprockets right this moment. But anyways, I put the motor here, and I'm running into an issue with the chain about right there. It's interfering, so I'm gonna cut it off. Pardon my mess, but trying to extend those bolts. Not really turning out as I wanted, but this turned out good. You know. It is what it is. Alright, just got done tack welding this exhaust. I'm gonna cut it off right there. It's not straight, doesn't look pretty, but I think it's gonna do. I'm not sure regarding that, if I should be notching that or how I should do that. I'll probably lose some power due to it, but I think it'll look cool. So we're gonna roll with it. All right, we're welding this. Please excuse the mess. Alright, so there's a gap here that I gotta fill. That's what I'm trying to do here. Oh, it's not the best, but I think she'll do. Huh. Well, doesn't look too crazy. Definitely not great, but I think she'll hold. Definitely gonna lose some power, that's for sure. I should have probably notched that out, but we're gonna roll with it and see how it goes. It's okay. We're going to recommend I don't do this, but I'll try it. I'm a little impatient. Maybe not. Maybe I'm not gonna try it.